Hello all, I'm Komal from Komalfiesta. I'm live interacting with my viewers for first time, and thanks for all your love and support till now. And I'm here today to announce you the exciting launch of the baby recipes and baby recipes for the new moms and the creative food ideas for all those moms, especially for those moms who struggle hard to make their fussy eaters finish their meals. So here I come up with some creative ideas. Do follow me on Facebook and Twitter for the latest updates. And if you really like my recipes and enjoy watching them, don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, that is Komalfiesta. Till then, keep watching. Happy cooking. Bye.